Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our 296th state of the track. This time at Classon Avenue, here at the crosstown line. Let's wait for the Queensbound G train to depart. To do this state of the track on this pre-New Year's Eve. Let's see how it looks. Nice, but some attention required. No third track present, but there's garbage there too. Let's go to the church Avenue G. Here at Classon. Old countdown clock, new countdown clock. Alright, Church Avenue bound track. Attention required. Serious attention required. But anyways, this will conclude our stay at the track at Classon Avenue.